Hello everybody, it is Railroads and Random. Today I'm going to be bringing back one of my old very popular series. This is the reboot to that series. Tell me if you notice anything different between these two big boys. Yeah, one of them is pixelated. So that's what you get in the VOXEL resource pack. It like pixelates your trains. Like this is from the regular pack immersive railroading mod. This is from the VOXEL trains add-on. And also something you can do is you can paint it different things. Like you can add smoke deflectors. It also changes the number too. Like this is 4014, 4005, 4012, and 4018, which is what I put because it's near where I live. Anyways, let's get on to it. So I'm gonna get rid of this big boy right here, and I'm gonna see how this works because I haven't dug into any waters of this mod yet. I only put the coal and water in this, and it needs a lot of it. Now, before we get on with the program, I'm just gonna put a little bit of water so it doesn't explode on me. I guess I'll put in the tender then. The tender is dry out of water, I guess. Alright, well that's all good and dandy. So now let's start with some shunting. Oh, where's my face? Alright. But yeah, I also got the backpack on. Let's get on with the program. Oh, brakes. Oh, that's so cool. The real steam hissing and everything. Oh, gotta slow it down. Wait, did I switch into the siding? Did I switch it into the side? Let me double check. Yes I did. Okay, so that's good. Anyways, we got back at what? Alright, that was a glitch. Give it some more throttle. I don't know how that happened, but it did. That looks cursed though, like the boiler is like all slanted off the side, doesn't look even. But in any case, I'm just gonna get the decoupler, I think that's what it's called, coupling hook. So I'm gonna take the coupling hook and try to detach this. No, alright. Now let's see if this actually like reverse and not take the freight cars with it. I haven't played this mod in a while, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. It worked! I know how to use the mod. That's a problem. That is a big problem. Because that does not look realistic at all. Let's couple up to these freight cars back here, and probably gonna try to shunt them too. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, the track I'm using, it's different than the last time in the old series. This is also part of the VOXEL train mod thingy. This is a VOXEL track, and I prefer it because it looks better. And the new feature is a road bed type thing, road crossing, that's good. what was that? Oh, it's sunset. I'm gonna let it park here while I go to sleep for the day. Pretty productive day on the railroad. Doesn't that look awesome? Very menacing. Anyways, I'm gonna head to sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. That was a good sleep. And it's the morning. Time to clock in for work. So now I'm going to back it up. Right, F5. I heard this delivery is all like wood and other stuff. That was probably not the best idea. Now we got that coupled up. I want to try and work on the track ahead so that I don't crash this thing. Probably gonna also have to change the this tracks, like the switch. I don't crash it. Alright, now that's all good. Trying to make this like a double track mainline. Trying to make it go for basically forever, I guess. No, it's taking too long. I'm gonna increase the length of this. That should be pretty good. I can't even see it anymore. I can barely see the... Yeah, that's the buffer of this siding over there. What I forgot to mention also is that the VOXEL train mod add-on also has like buffers and stuff like that. So that if I were to crash into something, this would stop the train dead in its tracks. That's cool. I'm probably gonna use this as like a track unit. I'm gonna put this SD40 down. It looks nice because, yeah, being Burlington Northern Railroad is awesome. I'm gonna make sure that the other side of the track is like, okay, so I can sort of reverse the big boy so it gets out of the way of the road. Doesn't that look cool? It's the end of the track. Speed is Brake. That's good. Prevented a derailment. There are a bunch of other locomotives that are really awesome that are in the VOXEL add-on. I'll get to those like later, maybe next time. But right now I'm just gonna keep working on this track. Yeah, it's also pretty far. I think that should do it. And it's about like 10,000 blocks of train tracks. So it should do the job decently well. Nailed it. And back down the line. Maybe I should move the big boy a bit back. Oh, wheel slip, wheel slip, wheel slip, wheel slip. I'm gonna check the rest of this voxel training mod thing. Well, we got Amtrak ACS 64. That's always good to see. The GTELs, that's also good. The Alco S4. Too bad you can't change the liveries on any of these locomotives. Now these locomotives down here, this is all part of the Santa Fe resource packs. So I'll get into that like next week or next time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this weekly. But I'm gonna try and assemble, I think it was one of those, back in the day BN ran services, I think it was called the Pacific Zip. It would like take piggyback, trains to and from like major ports to like Seattle. That's how like they got really, really large size, and then they got the merger with Santa Fe afterwards. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna add a couple more of these cars. I think I need just 5 of these cars and it should be good. That seems pretty good. Now I'm probably gonna load them up. With something, very useful. Everybody needs copper and stuff, like aluminum for like tin foil. I'll take about a couple stacks of the aluminum. Now, whoa, that's a lot of capacity and storage. I mean, that's good, I guess. More goods for the people. So, yeah, that looks good. Let's see if I can change the color of this. Whoa! That looks awesome. Huh, so now I can... I thought that was the Optimus Prime trailer for a second. Texas Midwestern. I like that. I'll go with that. Can I please stop disco dancing on this freaking flatbed? Sometimes this mod really acts weird. But it's all in good fun, There, finally. Yay, the rock and rolling has stopped. Change the color of this one too. I'll keep it like that. See if they have a BN one. That'd be awesome. Southern Pacific will do, I guess. Keep this one empty, I guess. Or no, I still have a stack of aluminum. Why not put it to good use? $16 buckets to go with it. Alright, well, that's good. Got it loaded up. Now I'm gonna head down the line, and then I'm gonna... Oh, no, wrong direction. Ah! For this mod, this is pretty good. The Santa Fe resource pack. I'm gonna turn off. I forgot to get the brakes on. Come on, I need to get back to the train. Ah, that's a lost cause. I'm just gonna go head home. Why run away? Don't want to get the mobs out tonight. Hopefully nothing bad happens. That was good. Some good sleep. How is this thing still rolling? I mean, I did make the really long, but still. Caught up to you. Time to slow you. You know, is that the end of the track? No, that isn't. I'm gonna speed you up for a bit. Engine motor, the motor whine is crazy. Well, that's the end of the track. Stop. Stop. Okay, we stopped. I think that was a pretty good run. Oh yes, a village, perfect. I need something to connect up to this rail line. So this track will continue onward. This one will probably get a siding added. $90, because why not? You need to connect up to some industry, right? And I'm gonna add a buffer at the end of this, because that's one of the villages I'm gonna connect up to. This will be an industrial type branch. I don't know if I would call this a branch line. Maybe more of like a siding. I have honestly no clue what I'm doing. I'm just gonna have fun, you know, checking out this mod. Honestly, this has been going great. Good thing that train did not crash, or else I would have had some big issues. Lever. I want a K lever. Lever. Load. Thank you. Now. Let me get back to my engine. I'm actually gonna rail fan this real quick. No, just for the shots. Might seem kind of dangerous, but who cares? It's all a game at the end of the day. I'm just having fun, you know, enjoying this mod. Time to slow it down. Still on the main line. That is off the main line. That's great. I'm gonna turn off the engine and I'm probably gonna have to walk back, or I can use the you know, I'm actually gonna test something out. There's this this Amtrak Plus mod. I think has this like Ford that runs on like the rails. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna use that to get back. First I need to run and switch this. Now I'm gonna try and full speed this thing back. Of course there's no working speedometer, and the RPM thing is just broken. Only 50 miles an hour. Disappointing. I mean, it is a truck, but still, that trucks go pretty fast. I should stop it. This thing has just been sitting here the entire... I just now realized there's a hole here, like on the side of the big board. What if that's like a patch that they can like fix? Is it gone on that one? Is it gone? Nope, it's still there. And it's there. I guess it's on all versions. Oh well. So then keep that there, get rid of the buffer, get rid of the lever, get rid of that, get rid of that. I think this is about the time we should end this episode. If you enjoyed the video of this return to New Rail City.